Withdrawing money from Instagram to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Link your bank account. Go to your Instagram settings and navigate to the Payments section. Here, you will need to add your bank account details, including your account number and routing number, to enable withdrawals. Step 2. Set up a business account. If you haven't already, switch your account to a business profile. This is necessary for accessing features like shopping and payments. You can do this in the settings under account and then switch to professional account. Step 3. Enable monetization features. Ensure that you have enabled monetization features on your account. This may include setting up Instagram shopping or using affiliate links. You can find these options in the settings under business or creator tools. Step 4. Request a withdrawal. Once you have earned money through your Instagram activities, go back to the payments section. Here, you can select the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm the transaction to your linked bank account. Step 5. Wait for processing. After submitting your withdrawal request, it may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. Keep an eye on your bank statement and Instagram notifications for updates on the transaction status. In conclusion, following these steps will help you successfully withdraw money from Instagram to your bank account. Make sure to keep your account details updated and check for any changes in the process as Instagram evolves.